This video is part of my video course that teaches how to test Java with JUnit and Makita. For other video lessons in this playlist, check description of this video. So what is JUnit 5? The first answer that comes to mind is that it is a testing framework that allows us to write unit tests in Java, which is true. Let's have a look at its architecture. JUnit 5 is a combination of three things. It is a combination of JUnit Platform, JUnit Jupiter API, and JUnit Vintage test engine. The first component of JUnit 5 is JUnit Platform. It is a core platform that serves as a foundation for launching testing frameworks on JVM, and it provides a test engine for developing and running testing framework on the platform. Most popular Java development environments like NetBeans, IntelliJ, Eclipse, and build tools like Gradle, Maven, and Ant, they all provide first-class support for JUnit Platform, and we can use these tools today to run JUnit tests. Alright, so think of it as a platform that runs JUnit tests that you create. The second component is JUnit Jupiter API, and it is a combination of a new programming model and extension model for writing tests and extensions in JUnit 5. So Jupiter is a name of the API, and Jupiter API is what we use to write unit tests in Java. These are different test annotations and assertions that we use in our test methods. And then it also has an extension API that allows us to create our own version of test API that we can use additionally to Jupiter. The third component is JUnit Vintage. JUnit Vintage is a test engine for running older unit tests. Before JUnit 5, there were JUnit 3 and JUnit 4, so JUnit Vintage provides us with a test engine to run JUnit test methods written with older version of JUnit API. Because of JUnit Vintage, we can have a project that contains unit tests written with older JUnit API and JUnit methods written with a newer API version called Jupiter. Alright, so together these three components make up JUnit 5 that we will use in this video course.